Today we are going to get into our new tarot forecast using the planets and the stars above to provide insight through the tarot cards. So when we shifted into Scorpio season yesterday, we have 3 new cards of reflection. So as we are now in Scorpio season, we have the Death card. And since we are in the first decan of Scorpio, we're moving into a water sign. So we have the 5 of Cups. And also associated with the first decan is the planet Pluto, which is represented by Judgment. So individually, these cards represent change and transformation, grief and gratitude, understanding and revelation. The Death card is feared by many because we fear change. This speaks to a complete transformation. So this 10-day period, actually this 30-day period, this Scorpio season will be a time of enormous change for the better. But that change means the death of who you once were. We have to let the old us die in order to become the new and be born again. Also, as Scorpio is a water sign, we're now shifting from swords to cups, from intellectual to emotional. The battles we fight during this period will be in the heart. Now, for the next 9 days, we have the 5 of Cups as well. The 5 of Cups is loss and grief. It's a recognition of the death and a celebration of what remains, because accompanied by grief, at the heart of grief, is gratitude. If you didn't appreciate what you had, you wouldn't mourn the loss of it. And it reminds you to be grateful of what you still have. And then we have our awakening, a realization. The Judgment card is about stepping into the light from which there is no return. This sort of evolution is a complete transformation, as we described. And we are ever changed by it. We cannot go back to where we were before. We cannot go back into the dark. We have to step out into the light. So all together, we're transforming, we're grieving the person we once were, and recognizing, realizing the person we are becoming now. Wishing you a wonderful start to the Scorpio season. And we'll check in with our tarot forecast in 9 days when it shifts.